Hello and welcome. I'm going to my AWS console, going to the CloudFront, and here I'm going to create CloudFront distribution. While we are creating CloudFront distribution, we have many tabs like origin, default cache behavior, function association, web application firewall, and settings tab. In this video, we are going to talk about some of the options related to the settings tab. So let's start. Here we have many options like price, class, and custom SSL, CNAME. We already discussed about all of them. If you don't know anything about it, you can watch our series from video 1, so you will get idea about all these options. Now, here we have some other settings as well, like supported HTTP version and default root object. We already discussed about this in the previous video. In this video, we are going to talk about final two settings, one standard logging and IP version 6. So let's start with the mind map. As I explained you, already we discussed about these two in a previous video. So let's start with the standard logging. Standard logging in the CloudFront enables you to log information about every request made to your distribution. Here I am inside my CloudFront distribution. By default, standard logging is off, means after creating your distribution, you will never find out who is requesting for your URL, how much data you are transferring. You will not find out the detail about IP address of your client. You are not going to get anything about it. But if you want to log all this information, you have this option to enable standard logging. Once you will on it, then you can store this log into the S3 bucket. Here, you can specify your S3 bucket in which you want to store all this log information. You can also specify prefix, so you can differentiate them and you can analyze this data as well. The logs can include the details such as date and time of the request, client IP address, requested URL, status code, and byte transfer. So from the log, you will get all this detail. I'm just going to provide you main 5 points here. There are many things that you can log using this standard logging option. Along with this, if you scroll down, you will get detail about the cookies logging. Now, do you want to enable this cookies logging or not? It is up to your application. So what is the use case of cookies logging? These features allow you to capture and log the name and value of cookies that are included in the request to your CloudFront distribution. The log cookies data can be useful for understanding the user's behavior, session management, and customizing the content delivery based on the user-specific data. We are always using cookies to understand the user behavior and session management. But if you are going to create log file of this, you can better understand that how your cookies are actually working. So, it is up to you. It is basically up to the application requirement. If you have application which required cookies, then you can enable cookies logging. Otherwise, it is not required or compulsory to enable logs for cookies. Now, once you complete this, we have final option about IP version 6. The IP version 6 setting in the Amazon CloudFront allow you to enable or disable support for IP version 6 address in your distribution. You know, we are using two protocols mainly into the internet. The whole internet communication is totally based on two protocols. One, sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course, 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.